Come test drive 2012 Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for from any point of view, more than meets the eye, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, air conditioning, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM CD MP3 radio. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.